Hello, good morning children. Are you all ready for the exam? All set? Yes. So once again I'm telling you, when you take the paper, I showed you yesterday, now the paper, this is called the foolscap paper. This kind of a paper you should write it with. In this kind of a paper you should write, don't pull any paper from the books and do it. You have to write it in the foolscap paper. This is called the foolscap paper. So when you begin, please watch what I am showing you here. Now these are the lines. Don't go and write your name over here. Please listen. Write your name here. You don't have to write a name, you just got to write the name. Now this is the paper. Here this side you will write the name. Whatever your name is. If it is Niranas Mohan, you will write. See, I'm not specifying any name. That name came to my mouth. That's what I'm saying. Write your name here first. Then skip a line and write standard, STD standard, and then write 2, Roman number 2. Like how I wrote right here. I'll show you. Like this. You have to write it like this. Not 2, okay, or TW2. You should not use that. You should write STD, that is standard. Short form of standard is STD. Then after writing standard, you got to write roll number. How do you write roll number? ROLL, capital R, ROLL, roll, and NO, and 2 dots number. And yesterday I had already posted the names. So according to that names, when you look, you will know which number you are falling in. That is your roll number. Okay? And write the roll number. So that's so much you got to write it here at the right side. Then in the margin you have to write the date and the day. Now today's date is 9/2/2022, and then write Wednesday. Right. Then after that you got to write it in the middle your subject. Before you write that, and if you can do it, it will be well and good. Right? What is it? February evaluation test, and below that you write English. And after that, write the number. If you're writing A, just write A, and then continue writing it. Fill in the blank should be completely written. It should be a complete sentence. You can't write just is, A, R like that. You will not get marks. So please take care of it. Anyway, let all that go. Let's revise lesson 2. Okay? Complete the following sentences using but and or. But and or. So that's the way you join the sentence. Club the sentence together. We visit the zoo and the museum. See, here 2 places we are visiting, so you are joining by using and. My brother is fat, but he is active. Though he is fat, some people when they are fat they won't be active, but here he is active, but he is active. Do you like ice cream or chocolate? Now choice is there. When there are 2 things, you can opt, you can choose from the 2 options. You can take anything. So that is why here we are using or. Do you like chocolate or ice cream? Do you like me or my mother? See, there are 2 persons, so this is like an option, like a choice is there. That is what. Do you like coffee or tea? So or is used when there is choice. Now to add 2 things together you use and. My brother and me are going for a trip. Arun and Adil are best friends. Reena and Raina are neighbors. So when add 2 people together or 2 sentences together, you add and. When there is choice, you use or. And when it is a positive and negative sentence, you use but. Adil is fat but active. Right. Adil is fat but active. My grandmother is old, but she can still see. Follow. So that way you club means join sentence together. Ninu and Tinu are close friends. Now, question words. Which are question words? Who, what, why, when, which, whose, how. How also is a question word. How old are you? How are you? How's your mother? How can you go? How are things going? So, how also is a question word. Now, to make question with what? Make a question with what? What is the time? What are you doing? What can I do for you? Where? Make question with where. Where is your book? Where are the people in the house? Where are you going? Where is my tea? Where is my bag? So many things. Where is show the position. Who? Who are you? Who do you want to see? Who's your best friend? So you can make so many questions, isn't it? Now, with whose? Whose book is this? Whose uncle is that? Who's coming from that? Who's that person who's looking at you? Follow? So you can make so many questions. And one more thing you have to remember is, when you write an interrogative sentence, when the sentence is over, you have to put a question mark. There, if you don't put a question mark, you will have a minus mark, because it is an interrogative sentence. Follow? Now, the next one, let's go to answer the following questions. Why are Brer Fox and Brer Possum arguing with Brer Rabbit? Why are they arguing? Arguing means they are having very hot talks. Brer Fox and Brer Possum were arguing with Brer Rabbit because after having 3 bowls of soup, what did he say? Yes, he said he has no. Yes, after having 3 bowls of soup, he told them that there is no money with them. I told them that he did not have any money. That is why they were arguing with him. Arguing means having talks. Why do Brer Fox and Brer Possum not allow Brer Rabbit to wash the dishes? They did not allow him to wash the dishes because he breaks their plates and glasses. So if you ask them to go and wash, he will break more things and more laws for them. That is why they did not allow him to wash the plates and dishes. Wash the glasses and plates. Why does Mr. Lion look at the menu? Mr. Lion looked at the menu. Looked at the menu. M-E-N-U, menu. It's not menu, okay. Looked at the menu to decide what he would like to eat. He looked at the menu to see what all there is and to order and eat accordingly. Shall I repeat it once again? Mr. Lion looked at the menu to decide, D-E-D-C-I-D-E, decide. So what's the spelling? D-E-C-I-D-E, decide what he would like to eat. Full stop. What can Mr. Lion not what can, why can Mr. Lion not? See here, we use why can and then we are using not. So this cannot also can be used there. Why cannot Mr. Lion? Here it is used, why can Mr. Lion not? So that's a negative sentence there. Not eat the soup. Mr. Lion cannot eat the soup because he does not have a spoon. There is no spoon in it. That is why he was not able to eat the soup. So let's just go through once more. I'll tell you the order. Choose the correct answer. The answer choice is there. There will be 3 answers. So which is the appropriate, the most correct one that you got to choose and fill in the blanks. You have to write the complete sentence. Okay. Now, that's the first one. Then fill in the missing letters. A word will be given and letter will be missing from that. One letter will be missing. So, you got to learn the spellings. That is why I told you, learn, read the text. Okay. Now, make questions with what, why, which. There will be 3 question words. With that question words, you have to make 3 questions. Now, complete the following sentences using and, but, or. So, you have to read the sentence and you have to check. In the beginning of the class I was telling you. Then, the young ones. Name the young ones. So, please be prepared. I think I have given you a lot of young ones. Animal and the young ones. So, please, lion is cub, hen is chicken, then horse, colt, deer, fawn, goat, kid, sheep, lamb, all this. Okay. Then question answers. Then rewrite the sentence using apostrophe. Suppose I am making a sentence. My uncle's shoe is torn. See, my uncle's shoe, I said. It is not correct. My uncle's. After writing uncle, you put apostrophe and s. My uncle's shoes are torn. Tina book is with me. Is it correct? No, Tina's. You have to write Tina apostrophe then s. Tina's books are with me. Right. So, apostrophe to show the position of a thing. What belongs to a person. Position means belonging. Belong to a person. See, the book is Tina book, I said. It is Tina's book. The book belongs to Tina. Position of the book is by Tina. That is what. So, when you write the apostrophe and after the apostrophe only you should put S. Okay. So, get prepared well and do well. And all the instructions what I told you, please do accordingly. And also, make sure you write in bold letters. Because you know when you are checking through the mobile, it's very difficult. So, please do understand my trouble and write neatly and in bold letters. The script should be written properly. And all the letters should have a proper formation. Leave space. All this you must bear in mind. Please cooperate. Okay. So, do your exams well. Sit and learn. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Bye.